Guys, get from my channel, so let's play Block.
Good.
I know everybody don't like pick me, so me too.
Good.
If the boost, the pick me, everybody like to copy my avatar, and everybody like to copy my avatar on the avatar catalog, and I was keeping quiet. I focus on. Just tell me who copied my. So I was nervous for my game, and I started to leave so they could, and the copycat cannot see me. And I was so privileged, and the copycat joined me. I'm not sure. And I said, why do you know me? I'm in private. And she said, I know you because I'm a hacker. And I said, no, you're not. And she ran. She totally banned me after all.
Tatanggapin na lang natin ang 2,000 pesos na nakuha natin.
Nangako sila ng 50,000 pesos. Tapos 2,000 pesos lang ang binigay nila. Parang scam.
So
Hello? Ito ba mukha-mukha? Anong nangyayari? Hindi ba't sabi niyo hanggang 50,000 pesos ang credit limit? Bakit 2,000 pesos lang nakuha namin?
Sigurado ka bang moka-moka ang in-applyan mo?
Hindi ko alam. Basta nag-click lang ako ng kahit ano.
Baka kasing maling app ang na-applyan mo. I-click mo na lang ang link sa ibaba ng video, ilagay ang iyong phone number at ID information, at subukan mo mag-apply ulit.
Teka, wag mo ibaba yung tawag. Saglit lang. Wow! Nakuha ko na yung 49,000 pesos na limit. Pwede ko pang i-withdraw agad? Kailangan ko na kasi ito.
Oo naman. Kapag nag-apply ka ngayon, pwede mong i-withdraw ang pera sa loob lang ng 3 minuto.
So I make a story. I'm not scared of pick me, girl. I like you, but then the pick me.